Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Converting the entire database charset to UTF-8 is useful for ensuring consistency and compatibility with various languages and special characters. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this using SQL queries. Step 1. Backup your database. It's always recommended to backup your database before making any changes. This will allow you to revert back in case something goes wrong during the conversion process. Step 2. Check the current character set. Run the following query to check the current character set of your database. Step 3. Convert tables to UTF-8. To convert all tables in your database to UTF-8, you can use the following query. Replace your database name with the name of your database. This query generates a list of alter table statements for each table in the database to convert them to UTF-8. Step 4. Execute the generated SQL statements. Copy the generated SQL statements and execute them in your database management tool, example phpMyAdmin, MySQL Workbench. This will convert all tables in your database to UTF-8 encoding. Step 5. Update database charset and collation. Finally, update the database default charset and collation to UTF-8 by running the following queries. Replace your database name with the name of your database. That's it. Your entire database should now be converted to UTF-8 encoding, allowing you to store and retrieve data in various languages without any character encoding issues. Please make sure to test this process in a development environment before applying it to a production database.